In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mailchimp templates. Starting off, the heart of any successful email marketing campaign is an engaging, well-designed template. It's crucial for communicating with your audience in a way that suits your brand and message. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, creating a template in Mailchimp can be a straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and click the login button. It's essential to have your login details, that's your username or email, and your password ready. The login page is designed to be welcoming, guiding you through entering your credentials smoothly. Type in your username or email in the first field, followed by your password in the second one. These fields are sensitive to your input, so ensure you've typed everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, it's time to hit the login button. You might find this step quite simple, but it's the gateway to accessing the powerful features Mailchimp has to offer. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard or home page. This is where the magic begins. The dashboard is your command center. From here you can navigate to various sections of Mailchimp, but for today we're focused on the Create button, typically located on the upper menu. Clicking Create will pull up options for what you'd like to create. In our case, we're aiming to design an email, so you should click on Design Email. This is your first step toward crafting your custom template. Upon choosing to design an email, you'll be presented with several starting points. For those looking to have a blend of flexibility and structure, starting with the basic elements is a great choice. It offers you an easy way to manipulate content and quickly shape your message. Click on Start with Basic Elements to proceed. Now diving into the actual template creation, you'll be guided to a page with a prompt to apply these basic elements. This step is where your creativity can start to shine. Clicking Apply confirms your choice and ushers you into the editor. And thus you've completed the preliminary steps in creating your Mailchimp template. From this point, the editor offers you a canvas to bring your email to life. You can drag and drop different elements such as text blocks, images and buttons, and customize them to fit your branding. Remember, the key to a compelling email template is not only in its aesthetic appeal, but also in its ability to communicate your message clearly and effectively. Creating an engaging email template in Mailchimp doesn't require you to be a graphic designer, but keeping a few design principles in mind can help. Consider your color scheme and typography. They should reflect your brand and be consistent across all your marketing materials. Use high quality images that resonate with your message, but be wary of overloading your template with too many visuals or text blocks. Balance is paramount. As you tinker and tailor your template, don't forget to save your progress. Once satisfied, you can utilize this template for various campaigns, adjusting the content as necessary without having to start from scratch each time. In essence, Mailchimp templates offer a blend of customization and efficiency, making them a favored tool among marketers aiming to engage their audience via email. Whether you're announcing a new product, sharing news, or nurturing leads, a well-designed template can be your ticket to capturing and holding your audience's attention. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a Mailchimp template. Remember, the best email campaigns are those that effectively communicate your message and resonate with your audience. With Mailchimp's template editor, you have everything you need to create visually appealing, effective emails that can help your marketing efforts soar. Happy designing!